Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. This is Austin Allen here, and today I will be reviewing Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin White Ranger, made by Hasbro. Made by Hasbro, the toy company that made G.I. Joe and Transformers action figures. For the packaging of this box right here, it's got Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin White Ranger with a black Hasbro logo right here. And you can get, and there's a cool image of, and there's a cool artwork of the White Ranger on the front and on the side, like the spine of a book. And on the other side of the box, it says Mighty Morphin Power Rangers on it. The logo says Mighty Morphin Power Rangers with the Saban logo beside it. And on the back of the box is a cool photoshopped render of the White Ranger action figure wielding his Saba sword, just like that. And there's a golden yellow color on top of the box. I got this toy at Target for $24.99, and I will dedicate this toy to Jason David Frank's memory. To Jason David Frank's memory. To Jason David Frank's memory. This one's for you, Jason David Frank. May you finally rest in peace. This figure stands about 6 inches tall. Just like that. And now for some paintwork on this guy. He has a Power Tiger coin embedded on his vest, like on his armored vest. He has a Tiger Power coin embedded on his armored vest. And it's golden, with the golden lines going down around it, going down and on both sides, on the front and on the back. See, he has golden shoulder pads, golden arm bands, black and gold wrist gauntlets, and a gold belt with a gold holster with a gold holster to put a Saba sword in it. Black and gold gauntlets on his wrist and around his shins. Look at the boots with the straps on them, and the heels, the high heels. Look at the wrinkles and folds on this White Ranger suit. This looks very accurate. He's white all over. His suit is white all over his body. And his helmet is a glossy white color with a tiger face on it. It's got the silver mouth plate, the black visor, the white tiger eyes, with the gold front, the golden front, with the golden tiger front face. It has a silver mouth plate and black visor and white tiger eyes with the black lines on his forehead. Look at the black lines on his forehead. See? And he has ears protruding on his helmet with and look at the gills on his helmet. They look white and gold on both sides. Phew. The White Ranger first appeared in Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Season 2 episode. In the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Season 2 episode, White Light, Tommy's Green Ranger powers fade away, and he becomes the stronger White Ranger. And he's also got his White Tiger Zord, his White Ninja Falcon Zord, and his talking Tiger Sword, and his talking Tiger Sword known as Saba. Look at Saba. See? Look at his tiger sword known as Saba. Look at the blade. The blade is silver. The blade's all silver. It's white and gold all over, with the tiger power coins on both sides. Excuse me. And the white handle is all white. And the cat head of Saba, and the tiger head of the tiger head of Saba is all silver with the black lines running down. And I don't know, and I don't like this. And the one thing I don't like is the gold part. Is the gold part on the left side of Saba's head. I hated that. He can fit Saba and the White Ranger's right hand, just like that. You can put it in there nice and easy, snug in there, just like that. Just like that. So he can wield it and kick some monster butt. He also has a blue blast effect. See, it's translucent blue all over. This blue blast effect will fit onto the blade of his Saba sword, just like in the show. I don't remember this. I had to watch the episode. I have to watch which episode I like. If you could put it on the tip of the sword, just like this. It creates an explosion effect. And he also has, the White Ranger also has, if you could fit Saba in the golden holster beside his hip, just like that. It can fit snug right here. The White Ranger also has interchangeable hands, like the gripping hand, such as the gripping hand, and the karate chop hand. Hiya! If you can pop these off right about now. He comes with two clenched fists, so he can punch you in the face. One down and one to go. These gloves are white. Look at the ridges on the gloves. Look at the grooves on the gloves. Look at the ridges sculpted on the glove. Look at the ridges sculpted on the gloves. Very show accurate. And now for some articulation. His head's on a ball joint, so he can look up and look down and move his head left to right, just like that. He has a butterfly joint right here. He has butterfly joints right here and there. You can swivel at the bicep. Swivel at the bicep. He has double jointed elbows on both sides, so you can get a 360-degree angle. And the hinge at the wrist articulation. Each wrist has articulated hinges. He also has a diaphragm joint, so it can pivot all around. And he has an upside down ab crunch. Yeah, swivel at the thighs. He has double jointed knees. See? So we can kick some monster butt again. Each knee is double jointed. See? Double jointed knees. And the ankle, he has an ankle rocker, and he has ankle rockers. So he can pivot around like this. And he also has a helmet head, and he also has an unhelmeted Tommy Oliver head, sculpted in the likeness of Jason David. Sculpted in the likeness of the late Jason David Frank. Look at it now. He has fair skin with brown hair, and a ponytail. And he has 2 ears, 2 eyebrows, two eyes, 1 nose, and a mouth. I don't know if he has brown eyes or hazel eyes, or I don't know if he has brown eyes or gray eyes. I don't know if he has brown eyes, hazel eyes, I don't know if he has brown eyes, hazel eyes, or gray eyes. A little pink on the lips. And he also has a serious expression on his face, with a serious look on his face, or a relaxed look on his face. So if you can pop this White Ranger helmet off of his head, if you can pop that off right about now, just like that, you can put this Tommy head on, you could put Tommy Oliver's head right on the White Ranger body, just like that. And the one thing I don't like, that the head is a little bit small than the rest of its body. Look at it. Look at it. If you can get the White Ranger in various poses, you can get him in a fighting pose. Just like that. Or you can have him wield his saber sword just like that. You can have him wield his saber sword in his right hand. Just like that. Just like this. And you can have his White Ranger helmet underneath his bicep. He can hold his White Ranger helmet on between his hip and bicep. Ta-da! 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 Or if you can pop this, or if you can pop his head back off, you can put the White Ranger's helmet back on like this. Phew. A sword-wielding pose. So he can raise his saber sword into the higher and higher. Just like that. Look at me now. I'm wielding saber. And now it's comparison time. I'm bringing in Masters of the Universe, Revelation, He-Man. Right beside the White Ranger. And in Mortal Kombat Spawn from McFarlane Toys. right beside the White Ranger. Look at him now, he's tiny. Compared to the 7-inch figures. Look at him now, he's tiny. Compared to the 7-inch. Look at him now, compared. Look at him now. He's tiny compared to the 7-inch figures. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Leave a thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And remember, have a Merry Christmas tomorrow. Goodbye.